Andy, 0-0, a point apiece, a fair result?
I suppose so in terms of chances and opportunities. However, we've had some key moments that we should do better with. Ollie has to score in my view. And yeah, I think there's some things to look back on to see whether things should have gone our way or not.
Will Fuller, a 4th clean sheet in 5 games for you. You're having an outstanding season.
Yeah, pleased with the outcomes. I think we've been working hard on that all season, and it's a long way from where we were last year, where we weren't really happy with our defensive record. But I think that's down to just the solidity of the back unit as a whole. It's a team job. There's times in some of those games where the boys have bailed me out, and vice versa. So yes, that's everybody's achievement.
Steve, a point apiece. Do you think Fflint deserved more?
No, probably not. I think it was an even game. There weren't much quality in the game. We had 2 moments, Jake Canavan's shot in the first half, and then a good pass to play in the second half, and Daz Stevenson's header. Jack's made 1 save in the first half at the feet of Ollie Anderson. Apart from that, I don't think there was any more chances. It was a lot of back and two, a lot of battling. The effort was there, but the quality weren't, unfortunately.